like Pierre.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this makeup look right here. Heavily inspired by the fucking Grinch, because we all know that the Grinch is that bitch. You obviously can wear this green eyeshadow any time of the year because you know what? Makeup has no rules, so do you. Wear what you want. I don't give a fuck. I don't judge. Like, you know, whatever. Do what you want. But yeah, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up. And yeah, let's just get started with the tutorial because a bitch is excited to finally post. Like, I miss you guys so much. Alrighty, so starting off with the Tarte Shape Tape. I always use this as my base for all my eyeshadows. So I'm going into the Morphe 35C palette. They actually don't sell this anymore, but it's one of my favorite color palettes. So I am taking that green eyeshadow and I am creating a C shape and just kind of packing that color on there, making it kind of dark. And then afterward is when we're going to take a lighter color and blend out the edges with it. This just helps me so much more than laying down a transition color and then going in with a darker color. Yeah, I don't know. I've seen everybody doing it and it helps a lot. So try it out. So like I said, just blending out those edges with a lighter green color. And yes, I sped up the clips because you know what? It'd be so cool if I could blend this fucking fast. Like, I'd finish so quick. But yeah, these clips are sped up just for your sake, for my sake, for everybody. Okay, so now I'm going back in with that dark green and I'm just repacking it on and blending it slightly. I just wanted to add the definition back onto the eyelid. And then I'm just cutting my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape, of course. And I'm going for a halo eye today, so I'm just cutting it from the center and I'm dragging the concealer downward. And to be completely honest, I struggle with halo eyes, but I definitely want to do them a lot more on my channel. They are really requested from you guys and, you know, I gotta get the practice in. So now I'm setting that concealer with some white eyeshadow. And then I'm taking my brush and whatever green was left over on that blending brush, I'm just blending it onto the white as well. Now I'm applying a lighter green and I'm blending it in closer to the white. You guys, I'm sorry, my baby is just like babbling. I took a little bit of black on a smaller brush and I'm applying this to the very like outer corners of the eye. And this is going to help the eyeshadow pop a lot more. Make sure you only use a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. After, I took a really tiny detail brush and I added more of the green and just went back in over that crease just to make it pop out a little bit more, as well as taking a clean blending brush and I'm just blending out those edges again, just making sure everything looks nice and blended. I felt like the eyeshadow needed more of a pop, so I took a lime green from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, this green right here, and I applied it to the outer edges, blended it out, and as well as to the center of the lid. And that really helped the eyeshadow just kind of pop, you know? Hello, I'm here, bitches. I still felt like there was something missing, so I decided to add some glitter. This is a cheap-ass glitter liner that I got off of Amazon. I added this to the crease. So pretty much just cutting my crease with the glitter liner. It definitely did its job, gave me some bad bitch Grinchy vibes, which I was living for. Moving on to lashes, I used the IIKON lashes in the style Maryland. I do have a discount code for these bomb lashes. It's Jocelyn X30. You will save 30% off your lashes. These are bomb as fuck. And then for my skin, I took the Drink of H2O moisturizer. You guys, you know I use this every freaking day. But yeah, I moisturized my skin. And then I went in with the Benefit Professional, the Pearl version. Because, you know, it adds a little shimma, a little something to the skin. For foundation, I took the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. You guys, I've actually been living for this foundation. And yeah, that's me just being me. But this foundation is really, really good. It's actually a perfect match for my skin, which is something that I struggle with because they always dry down too pink or too fucking orangey. I really like blending out my foundation with this Time Los Angeles brush. I will link it down below. Time Los Angeles actually has the cutest accessories and like shirts and sweaters, and oh my god, their lipsticks are bomb. I'm just concealing with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And I'm setting with the Park Avenue Princess Sculpting Palette. And then I'm bronzing up with the Butter Bronzer. I finally repurchased this. You guys know this is my freaking ride or die. Like, it's so fucking good. You guys need to get it. Now taking the Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter because, bitch, you know I'm obsessed with this. Pretty much just applying this on the high points of my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, my nose, pretty much everywhere. And then I'm taking the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amore. If you're going to pick up a Milani blush, pick up Berry Amore. You will love it. And then I just smoked out the lower lash line with the same green colors that I took on the top. Pretty much just applying them on the bottom. Then I applied my mascara and everything. For the inner corner, I took the Tarte Shadow Pot in the color Top Yacht. You guys, this is such a good inner corner highlight. I even highlight my nose with this because it's so freaking good. And it just smooths out so nicely with the finger. So that's what I've been using for my nose highlight lately. Unfortunately, the clip of me doing my lips, it disappeared. But I used the NYX lip liner in the color Nude Truffle. And over top of that, I took the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer Lip Gloss in the color Tease. So that is going to wrap up today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys liked this look. I know it's out there, but it's cute. She's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.